wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best sliding glass pet doors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. If you don't want your furry friends to have to do any work, the high-tech Pet Shorty is a fully automated sliding door that activates whenever your pet gets close. It uses an ultrasonic collar to detect their presence, so you won't accidentally let in a raccoon. This one won't shut if an animal is in the way. However, it is hard to keep the collar in place, and it lets quite a bit of air in. At number 5, for owners with vinyl doors, there's the Ideal Pet Products VIP. It has a 2-pane glass window that's great for keeping the cold or heat out, and is heavy enough that you shouldn't need to worry about your pooch knocking it over. Installation is a pain though. The flap doesn't blow open, and this one's good for wide frames, but it makes a lot of noise when in use. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the magnetic seal on the Endura flap thermo is adjustable, so if your kitty is struggling to burst through the flap, you can turn the resistance down. It also comes in handy on windy days, as you can make sure that dirt and debris stay outside where they belong. This one comes with weather stripping and offers a tool-free installation. It's made with eco-friendly materials too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding glass pet doors, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. Available in 3 sizes, the petsafe 2-piece can accommodate animals weighing up to 100 pounds. So many large breed dogs can squeeze through without issue. It's not engineered to be a permanent installation, so it's not as sturdy as other options, but it is easier to set up. It doesn't require drilling any holes and is good for senior pets. It includes an easy-to-follow instruction manual. At number 2, the Ideal Pet Products Fast Fit lives up to its name, as it's easy to put up and take down, making it a smart choice for renters. The clear flap helps during training as well, as Fido can see the yard from inside and won't think you're asking him to run through a door. This one's very attractive once installed and is equipped with a sturdy aluminum frame. It adjusts from 77 to 81 inches. And coming in at number 1 on our list. If you're worried about letting bugs in with your furry friends, the petsafe Freedom has a magnetic closure on the flap that keeps it closed when it's not in use. That will also prevent any heat or air conditioning from escaping, so you won't have to deal with a huge energy bill. It includes an aluminum frame with tempered glass and a security panel. It leaves lots of room for people. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding glass pet doors, or simply click beneath this video.